We're back. Non-consensual towing. This ain't nothing but tow reality. This is just what the truth is. This is what happens out here. This channel's it's 100% real. Just how it goes. We're fixing to hook somebody up over here. I just left the office. This property manager says he's got 3 cars on the property, and they just they won't get tags. So he wants them towed. So you know what we do? We looks like somebody's moved one of them. There's one gone here. So we're gonna go down to the 29 building down here. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Anyway, here's our first one up. We're gonna have to hook this one. Anyway, I'm gonna have to pull over up here and get that tarp off the top. Tarp's gonna blow off on the road, but this looks like somebody's project car, which I ain't hating on nobody's project car, because I like cars too. But you gotta communicate with your office. This manager on this property, he's real nice. He's real lenient. All you got to do is call up there to the office and explain to them what your problem is, and the chances are you'll get some extra time. But if you don't call them, you don't call and communicate, and then right there, that's what happens. That's just how it goes. Anyway, I imagine this guy, a girl, either one, is going to come get their project car. It's not in too bad a shape. If it runs, they're going to come get that car. If it don't run, it's kind of a toss-up. That's Eddie. I think y'all seen Eddie before. Anyway, he informed me this BMW that we brought in. It's a nice car. Only problem is it's stolen. See how it's got a new windshield and a real nice brand new VIN number. Definitely somebody put a new windshield in it in order to change the VIN number. They put a new windshield in it. Looks like our police officers are back again. They came back over here for this BMW, the hot BMW. They're trying to get a VIN. Anyway, they I think they finally found the actual VIN that goes on that car. And they're gonna I'm sure that car will go. I don't know how long it's been since it was stolen, but it'll go back to the insurance company, whoever paid it off, or it'll go back to the owner. At least somebody got their car back. That's a nice bike, ain't it?
It is. It's a gorgeous bike.
Yeah. Anyway, this motorcycle just came in. It came back hot. Ruby told me the police came over here and looked at it, and it's stolen. How'd they figure out it was hot? Just the numbers?
Yeah.
Yeah. Either way, I imagine somebody's going to be happy to get their motorcycle back. That's a nice bike. Anyway, we're back at it again. Non-consensual towing. We pulled on our second property we're coming to today. The first property they didn't want to tow. There's a lot of shootings this weekend in Atlanta. I think over 20 people got shot over this past weekend in Atlanta. So a lot of people are worried. I've already ridden around this property, located 2 cars that they want gone. I actually hooked that one wrong. I should have had a better angle on that impound, and it would have been so difficult. But I got one straight behind us over here. It's that burgundy Ford Escape I pointed out a minute ago. I'm kind of surprised nobody came out on this truck. I think this guy owns that Harley Davidson as well. I think he owns that motorcycle too. But either way, I'm gonna back up and hook this Escape. He wants to pay it out, which is his right to pay the drop fee. Yeah, okay. But it's up to her. I mean, it's his right to pay the drop fee. He's got the right to pay it out if he wants to pay it. So I'm gonna drop it back over there. But it's his right to pay it out. That is his right. Pay the car out. But I can tell you this: if it's up to the manager whether how long he keeps it here. What car is that? Good job, man. You want to put it beside that one there? Yeah. In that hole? Thank you. I appreciate you staying calm, man. You know towing, you know how to. I'm glad you got it back, man.
Auction shit?
Yeah. Let me put that on there.
Is it?
towatl.com.
Oh, so y'all doing the bidding online though?
No, we do it. You go up there and do it. It's in Swanee. We're at the auction lot up here. This is one of the cars we brought in on one of my videos, and I wanted to show you the tags on this car. This guy, he was printing his own tags out, and what happened? He finally got caught. This is one, and these are like he bought the car. These are dealer printed tags, and they got the seal on them too. But evidently his little scam, it run out, and he wound up getting towed. That's the way it goes. These people, I talk about people printing these stickers up at their house, and that's what they do. They print them up, but eventually you slip up and get caught, and that's what happened to this guy. Tag looks legit, but he got caught up, man. That's just how it goes. Anyway, this is our auction where we have our auctions at. But we got some decent cars going this coming up weekend. The ones that got 11, that one's going this weekend, and I believe this one's also going. This is one a lot of people were questioning about on my video. This is the WRX. Anyway, it's a pretty good looking car. It does have the engine pulled out of it. This guy was redoing this car, but it's in decent shape. It's just got to be motor's got to be redone. I think somebody was building the motor. But it's coming up in this next auction this weekend on the 11th. Had some people asking about this car in particular, but we do got quite a few coming down the pipeline this weekend. We don't do anything to the cars other than put power on them and jump them off. That's the only thing we do. We don't mess with the motors and try to make them run. They either run or they don't. That's a nice BMW. I think I put it on the video before, but it's going this weekend. It's got 11 on it. There's another YouTuber just local here. He comes to our auctions and he puts our auctions on YouTube. His name's Big Play Ray. If I've had a lot of questions in the comments about the auctions. This guy's got an auction channel. Anybody that might be interested in seeing what these cars sell at the auction for, and information about buying cars at auctions, it's called We Hustle Daily. Check him out. Check his channel out. It's a good channel. I've watched quite a few of his videos, but he's got he goes to a lot of auctions all over Atlanta, and he can tell you where to buy what car, and he can tell you what price to buy it at. Hey, appreciate you watching. Thanks for watching the videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Peace.